A synapse is an anatomically specialized junction between two neurons or nerve cells. Synapses can be either chemical or electrical. At electrical synapses, the plasma membranes of the presynaptic and the postsynaptic cell are joined by gap junctions. Thus, the electrical activity of the presynaptic neuron will affect the electrical activity of the postsynaptic neuron. At chemical synapses, the presynaptic neuron releases neurotransmitters from their axon terminals, and the neurotransmitters will bind to receptors on the postsynaptic neuron. There are 6 main steps with regards to signaling at a chemical synapse. The first step is an action potential. First reaches and travels along the axon terminal of the presynaptic neuron. The action potential in turn triggers voltage-gated calcium channels to open, which will cause calcium to go inside the presynaptic neuron. The calcium enters the axon terminal, and this causes the release of neurotransmitters which diffuse into the synaptic cleft. The neurotransmitters diffuse and eventually bind into the postsynaptic receptors in the postsynaptic cell. And finally, excess and unwanted neurotransmitters are removed from the synaptic cleft via either degradative enzymes or via proteins which will carry them back into the presynaptic neuron.